Think your workouts are tough? You're likely overlooking the true command center of every movement, every athletic feat, and every moment of physical resilience. For years, we've chased visible abs, mistaking aesthetics for deep, functional, and mindful strength. But what if the secret to explosive power, unwavering balance, and a body that truly works in harmony isn't just about what you see, but about the intricate network beneath your skin? Today, we're diving into the biomechanics of your core, revealing how specific movements ignite this powerhouse, transform your performance, and bulletproof your body against injury. Prepare to see your own internal engine like never before. The core is more than just a six-pack. It's a dynamic, multi-layered cylinder of muscles wrapping around your spine and organs, acting as the bridge between your upper and lower body. Every push, pull, lift, and twist originates here. When we talk about core strength, we're talking about stability, power transfer, and the ability to control your body's center of gravity. Neglect this area and you're building a house on sand, no matter how strong your arms or legs become. Consider the common struggle: athletes hitting plateaus, fitness enthusiasts battling lower back pain, or anyone simply feeling less agile in daily life. This isn't usually a failure of your limbs, it's often a breakdown in communication from the core. Imagine a sophisticated machine where one critical gear is slipping. The entire system becomes inefficient, prone to wear and tear. Your core is that critical gear. Without its robust engagement, the energy you generate from your powerful leg drive in a sprint or the force you put into a heavy lift gets lost. It dissipates, weakening your output and increasing your risk of injury, much like trying to push a heavy box with a wobbly handle. You might exert a lot of effort, but little of it translates into effective movement. Now, let's peel back the layers and understand how precise movements activate this internal architecture. Our journey begins with the plank. Often dismissed as basic, the plank is a foundational masterclass in isometric strength. As you hold this position, a stunning symphony of muscles activates. The rectus abdominis, those familiar six-pack muscles, prevent your hips from sagging. The deep transverse abdominis, your body's natural corset, cinches in, providing crucial spinal support. And the obliques, both internal and external, fire up to stabilize your torso, preventing any unwanted rotation. Visualize oxygen flowing like electricity, charging these muscles evenly, creating a solid, unyielding pillar. The purpose here is pure stability and endurance, teaching your core to brace against external forces, which is vital for everything from lifting groceries to absorbing impact in sports. Next, we progress to the flutter kicks. It's a dynamic dance of rotational power and anti-rotation. Here, the obliques take center stage. As you relax your arms to the side, this is a fantastic way your external left oblique and internal right oblique are contracting powerfully, creating a twisting motion while simultaneously resisting the urge to collapse. The rectus abdominis assists in curling your torso, and the hip flexors drive the leg movement. This exercise hones your ability to generate rotational force, help burn belly fat. Equivalent to playing catch with your kids, swinging a golf club, or simply turning quickly, while also training your core to stabilize against that very rotation. It's like having a built-in gyroscopic stabilizer. Then comes the leaning back while sitting, a movement that might feel simple but demands immense control. Here, with your feet either on the ground or elevated, you rotate your torso side to side. The primary movers are, again, your internal and external obliques, working synergistically to create the movement. Your rectus abdominis, key to maintain, is repetition. Deep multifidus muscles along your spine work to stabilize each vertebral segment. The goal? for more explosive rotational power in enhancing your ability to pivot from side to side. When changing direction, it delivers force from your core outwards. Think of a boxer's punch or a tennis player's serve, pure rotational power stemming from a rock-solid core. Without this engagement, your power becomes disjointed, like a spring that can't fully compress. Finally, let's explore the leg raise. While it might seem like a lower abdominal exercise, it's a powerful challenge for the entire core. As your legs descend, your rectus abdominis and transverse abdominis work hard to prevent your lower back from arching off the floor. This anti-extension work is crucial. Your hip flexors are actively raising and lowering the legs, but it's the core's job to ensure that this movement doesn't compromise spinal integrity. It's about teaching your body to move your limbs independently while maintaining a completely stable trunk. This translates to better posture, improved running efficiency, and the ability to transfer force upwards from the ground without any leakage. The climax of understanding core training isn't just in isolating these movements, it's in recognizing their interconnectedness. When you perform a complex movement like a squat, a deadlift, or even simply standing up from a chair, these core muscles don't work in isolation. They fire in a precise sequence, in perfect symmetry, creating a stable, powerful cylinder that transmits force from your feet to your fingertips. The subtle glow of activation in the deeper muscles, the rhythmic oxygen flow pattern, signifies a core that's not just strong, but intelligently engaged. This is where true athleticism resides. The ability to brace, rotate, and stabilize under load, minimizing wasted energy and maximizing output. It's the difference between a flimsy scaffold and a skyscraper. So, whether you're an athlete aiming for peak performance or a fitness enthusiast seeking a more resilient, capable body, understanding and consistently training your core is non-negotiable. It's not about endless crunches, but about intentional, purposeful engagement that transforms your entire physical being from the inside out. Your core is your body's ultimate power source, waiting to be unleashed. Don't let your power go untapped. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when the next video comes out. A Core of Steel.